What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Noel Arevalo Fitness here. I am super excited to have each and every one of you up in this video, okay? We're here, we out here making gains, showing you how to stay on track, showing you how to stay fit, showing you how to stay lit. That's what I like to say. So I'm super excited to bring you this video today. I'm basically going to be showing you what I eat on a daily, consistent basis to stay fit year. All right, you guys, so within this full day of eating, I am pretty much going to be showing you what I eat, honestly, pretty much consistently every single day. How I diet personally and how I approach nutrition is I count my macronutrients. I will argue anybody, I will fight anyone who wants to say different, okay? So counting your macros allows you genuinely to eat anything and everything that you love, but obviously you want to be making sure that majority of the time you are eating healthy, nutrient dense food, which is what I do and what you'll see what I have on a daily basis. And then the other 20 to 30% of the time you're able to eat stuff that you like. You know, for me, it's my gummy bears. It's my Auntie Annie's tomato. I still haven't figured it out. Pretzels or wine or Prosecco. You know what I'm saying? Live your life. Live your life. You could live your life and you could still make amazing results with your body. I've done it for the past 10 years, trust me. And you guys, counting your macros is gonna be the best way to lose fat. It's gonna be the best way to approach nutrition. You don't have to cut out anything, but obviously you wanna be majority of the time eating food that's a lot more nutrient dense. So people call it like the 80-20 approach or like the 70-30, which 80 or 70% of the time you're eating very like nutrient dense, healthy food. And then the other 20 to 30, you're having your Prosecco, your pretzels, and your gummy bears. You know what I mean? It is not the kind of food that you consume that makes you fat. Those don't correlate. Chocolate cake does not correlate to those 5 pounds that you gained during quarantine, okay? The chocolate cake don't correlate to the weight that you have gained, okay? It is called portion control, all right? You could be eating the healthiest food all day, every day. You're still not losing weight. It's because of what your portion sizes look like. So portion control, there's power in portion control. I love saying that because it's so freaking true. The donut ain't making you fat. The chocolate ain't making you fat. The portion is. Having 5 donuts may be making you fat. Having 5 chocolate bars may be making you gain weight. Okay, so just taking that away, you guys, that there is power in portion and it is not the food choices that are making you gain weight. It is the portion, the balance. Hashtag portion, hashtag moderation, hashtag balance. Okay, you guys? Also, I should have used gain weight. I don't like saying making you fat because language is everything, you guys. Don't do as I say as I do. You know what I mean? So if you're new to my channel, I'm super excited to have you here. You guys, to my Lolos, to my loyals, AKAs, make sure you guys to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up because it helps me out absolutely so much. All right, so I'm super excited to jump into this video. I'm gonna be showing you guys my meals of what I eat throughout the day. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you take something away from it. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. So this is going to be the ingredients for breakfast, super simple and healthy. So baby spinach, I add this to everything, you guys. The more greens, the better, okay? So we're gonna do some baby spinach up in that thing. We're gonna do some Dave's Killer bread, thin slice, best bread if you're looking for really good macros, OMG, and tasting, oh, so good. Avocado oil spray. I always cook with sprays, especially avocado spray if I could find it. It's gonna save you so much fat with everything, you guys. 1 tablespoon or teaspoon, whatever it is, of like olive oil could be 14 grams of fat. That's a freaking lot. Then also, I can't believe it's not butter. We're gonna spray some of that on our toasty. That will also save you a lot of calories. It is literally 0 calorie like butter spray. We're doing some whole free range non-GMO eggs. I'm gonna do probably 2 eggs over easy. And then we are doing a little bit of avocado to get in some good fat. So that's gonna be the ingredients for breakfast. All right, and here is the aftermath. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dive into this. It looks so good. What I did was I just cooked these 2 eggs on the stove for probably around like 3 minutes, just did them over easy. And then I went ahead and toasted Dave's bread, obviously. And then I did a layer of like cubes. I cut the avocado up and then on each toast, so pretty much made like avocado toast. And then on top of the avocado, I put, if you guys see, my spinach in there. This is a solid, healthy micro dense, which is like vitamins, minerals, meal, breakfast. It's one of my absolute go-tos. It's so freaking good, especially if you are a huge savory person. I am huge with my savory. Huge with my savory. So I'm about to dive into this right now. Try it. Make it for yourself. Enjoy. This is going to be a little snack essentially before lunch. Always try to incorporate fruits as much as I possibly can into my diet because they have a lot of micros in them that are good for you, that your body needs. So I'm gonna chop up some of this apple, and then I'm gonna have like either half of a banana, probably half of a banana, and then I always top it with a little bit of this organic ground cinnamon from Trader Joe's. Cinnamon's super good for you. I put that in my coffee often as well. And then I'm gonna do some Justin's peanut butter, naturally delicious. I'm probably gonna do 1 serving of this. Be careful though, you guys, because even though this is a good fat, it can, like 1 serving of peanut butter is very high in fat. So they're good fats, but you make sure that you are doing like 1 serving and being moderate. If you are looking for a great alternative to a low-fat PB Fit, this is not sponsored at all. This is a really, really good, you guys. It's like high protein, low carb, low fat. You just mix it in with some water. I just wanted to show you this for like an alternative. So we will show you the aftermath once I create the snack. All right, and there you have it. Super simple, super easy, very micro dense and healthy for you guys, giving you clean, good energy. So these are basically examples of carbs that are going to do that for you. So it was actually half of the banana and half of the apple, and then I put about right under half a serving of the PB, and then I sprinkled lightly, as you guys see, the cinnamon on top, and this is perfect just a little snack throughout the day, and your girl's about to enjoy this. All right, this is about to be yummy in my tummy. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm super excited about lunchtime because we are going to be making a healthy, lean chicken bowl, and I'm all about the convenient cooking, you guys. The less it takes, I will be there. We are adding in baby spinach per usual because this has so much micros in it, you guys. It's so good for you. Then we're putting in some shredded lettuce. You guys, this is more so to give it substance, to give it crunch, to give it like volume, I guess you can say. But lettuce honestly really is like 90% like water. It doesn't really have much nutrients in it. I highly recommend either adding like some kind of spring mix, baby spinach, or like kale. One of those, okay, because you're gonna actually get vitamins from those things. Just chicken, simple seasonings. It's cooked, a little extra olive oil, salt, pepper, heat and serve. You guys, Trader Joe's for the win, because this is convenient cooking life right here. This is what I'm talking about, saving us time. Trader Joe's salsa, super good. We're gonna put that in the bowl. Then we're gonna do some organic black beans in there. Beans are so freaking good, you guys. They're like a half source of protein, and they have a lot of fiber in them, and you get a lot of volume for the actual like amount of carbs that it is. It's like pretty low carb for as much as you get. Then we're gonna add in some pico de gallo, and I just basically got these from Albertsons, and some green onions, and then per usual we're gonna add in some avo for some good fats. All right, and there you have it for lunch. Legitly the most simplest, micro dense, once again, meals that you can make for yourself. This is so simple, you guys. Like the most convenient cooking life out there. You know what I'm saying? That's how your girl works. But I don't know if you can see like the layers in here or not, but basically I just put the lettuce down. I put the spinach on top. I put 1 serving of beans. So this is really low carb and high protein. I chopped up a serving of the chicken that just came cooked and ready. And then I put a little bit of pico de gallo, sprinkled a little bit of the green onion in there, and also a little avocado for some good fats. So again, you guys, super lean chicken bowl, and you could add anything in there you want. Beef, fish, lean turkey is also what I will usually use for a protein source, but super simple, super yummy, and super healthy for you. Okay, so this is gonna be a little snack before dinner. So if you guys know me at all, have watched any of my full days of eating, you know that I absolutely love and swear by protein bars. Protein bars, you guys, are going to help you get in your protein needs. That's gonna help with fat loss. That's gonna help with like obtaining the toned look, like muscle building, all of that stuff, right? Protein is so essential, and protein bars make it so easy and nice to get in your protein, especially when you're on the go. I'm somebody who is nonstop, always on the go, so protein bars are my ish. You guys know this. If you have heard of Built Bar or not, I'm gonna let you in on them today, okay? You guys always ask me which protein bars are my favorites, like flavor-wise, macro intake-wise, all that stuff. Built is the way to go, you guys. That's why I have 2 boxes, so good. They legitly have every single flavor possible. Like, we got it all, you guys. We got it all. We have orange, we've got salted caramel, we got raspberry, we've got mint brownie, and every single one of them flavors are so bomb, you guys. The macros are perfect little, like, just amount of macros to be a perfect meal, if that makes sense. And also, you guys, they were nice enough to give me a discount code for you guys, so that's going to be in the description box if you guys are looking for a solid protein bar and something to get in your protein needs, like on the go. Built's got your back, you guys. I'm a fan because they have mixed boxes, because I like my options. Coconut almond and coconut. Which to choose? I think I'm actually going to go ahead and do coconut. So this is what I'm gonna have before dinner. This legitly tastes like a candy bar. No idea how this is a protein bar. So freaking good. Look at that, just look at that. I will enjoy my snack before dinner. So good. Chocolate covered, coconut filled. Right up my alley. All right, you guys, and now time for dinner, which I'm so excited about. You guys, you're gonna, does this look familiar? It looks familiar. Okay, so once again, you guys know I put baby spinach in motherfucking everything, okay? Another one of my favorites is going to be mushrooms. Mushrooms have so much micros in them, you guys. They're so freaking good for you. All right, I just whipped them out for us quickly. So garlic salt, this is my absolute favorite, Lawry's garlic salt. My mom put me on this. Literally, you guys, I season everything with this. This goes on everything, but recently I've been gravitating more towards just like basic pepper and some Himalayan salt with what I season my vegetables with, and then also what I'm gonna season my salmon with. So I got this salmon. This is Trader Joe's salmon, fresh Atlantic. And what I love about it, once again, it's convenient because it's just 2 perfect slices, and I think they're anywhere from like 4 to 5 ounces, which is a perfect amount of meat, aka protein. So how I do this, you guys, is I literally put this in the oven and I bake my salmon. I always bake my salmon. That is the best way to like keep it moist and just keep it juicy is what I find. So I put this in the oven and I heat it at 350 and I leave it in the oven for anywhere from like 20 to 30 minutes. It just depends on how thick the cut is. The convenient life, the convenient cooking life. Thank you, traders. Thank you. Organic, I can't talk today, guys. It is at the end of the night, your girl's getting tired. So organic brown rice, and this is microwave perfect in 3 minutes. So it's literally just like a pouch. You pop it in the microwave for three servings come in there. Pop it in the microwave for like 3 minutes, and then you literally have a pack of rice. So freaking convenient. So this is what we're gonna have for dinner. It's gonna be yummy and delicious. Let's begin to cook. All right, fam, you know what? For someone who does not cook, your girl she's impressing herself. I'm impressing myself. So here you have, you guys, super simple. So instead of that, the Trader Joe's brown rice, I actually just use like they're called 1 minute brown rice and quinoa packs. And they come like in little cups. So I just stuck it in the microwave for a minute, and then it's literally like bam, done. So didn't end up using that, but I used something very similar, and it just comes in like a cup size. And then I went ahead, obviously, and cooked my mushrooms and my spinach, and I just cooked it with that spray, you guys. I don't really use olive oil because, like I said, that will rack up in your fats very quickly. This salmon is so good for you because it has like good fats in it for you, omega-3s. And it's honestly it's like my favorite choice of fish if I'm gonna eat fish, but it is a little bit higher fat compared to like tilapia or something like that. So yes, you guys, this is gonna be dinner. Once again, a solid meal with like dense nutrients in this, high micronutrients, and then really good macros as well. So yes, you guys, this is what's going to be for dinner, and this is something that I consistently have on a regular basis. That's awesome and quick to make. So time for me to enjoy, and I hope you guys love it as well. All right, you guys, and that's going to conclude that video. I hope that you enjoyed it so much. Thank you once again for tuning in to my channel. Love you. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. It helps me out so much, you guys. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to see me in the next video. Hey, see me in the next video. Hey, make sure to hit that subscribe. Make sure to hit that Big takeaway from this video, which I really want you to learn, is that it is not the food that makes you gain weight. It is the portion control, okay? So macros is going to help you learn portion control. That's why I love it and practice it and preach it. That's why I teach it to my clients. That's why I have practiced this way of nutrition for the past 10 years of my life. Yes, a decade, yes. Also, if you have not joined my Facebook community, it is a free, open Facebook community. You just have to get approved to get in because we don't want any creeps in there, you know what I'm saying? So that's also gonna be in the description box, my Facebook group community. Make sure to join it, you guys. I am always talking about like everything that you need to know in basis or in regards to like staying fit, staying healthy, all that stuff. There's a bunch of free things in there like tips, meal plans, like workouts, all that good stuff, you guys. So if you have not joined my community, make sure that you do that as well. That's going to be in the description box as well, my Facebook Fit Queen community. But that is going to conclude this video, you guys. I love you so absolutely much. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you.